Hello my dear little ones, how are you all? All are fine? So today I am going to take the last topic of UKG Maths. Do you know what is that? Yes, it is time. So you know how to check the time? How to look the time? ഇപ്പോൾ സമയം എത്രയെന്നൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെയാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത്? വാച്ചിൽ നോക്കും. Otherwise we will look it in the clock, isn't it? So do you know how to look in the clock and say the time? So I will teach you to say the time. Okay. So have you seen a clock like this? So this is a clock. Okay. Have you seen the clock like this? ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു clock കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Okay. So I think many of you have seen the clock, isn't it? So in clock you can see two hands like this. Okay. ഇതിനെ മിസ് hand എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. So you can see two hands. Okay. So sorry, this is the short hand and this is the long hand. Okay, see here, and what are the numbers on the clock? So you can see numbers from 1 to 12. So in a clock you can see the numbers from 1 to 12. Okay, now I will say, now suppose if the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, suppose if the time is 3 o'clock. Time 3 o'clock ആണെങ്കിൽ എങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും ക്ലോക്കിൽ അത് കാണിക്കുക? So see, the short hand will be in 3 and the long hand will be on 12. Okay, so now the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, suppose the time is 4 o'clock. Okay, now see, the short hand on 4 and the bigger hand on 12. Okay, so it is like that. So this short hand is known as hour hand. Okay, hour hand, and the long one is called minute hand. Okay, now I will show this on the computer also. See, this is the clock. Okay, so the time numbers 1 to 12 you can see. Numbers you can see from 1 to 12. Okay, and you can also see two hands, that is this one short hand is known as hour hand and the long one is called minute hand. Okay, so these are the things you can see on the clock. Now see, now the time is 8 o'clock. So I have already told you that, see, the short hand or hour hand on 8 and the minute hand on 12. We said two hands are there. The short one is called hour hand and the big one is called minute hand. Okay, so the hour hand is on 8 and the minute hand is on 12. So now the time is 8 o'clock. Okay, now see, now the time is 9 o'clock. So 9 o'clock means, see, the hour hand is on 9 and the minute hand is on 12. So now the time is 9 o'clock. Okay, see, now the hour hand is on 5 and the minute hand is on 12. Now what is the time now? Yes, it is 5 o'clock. Okay, now what is the time now? Okay, children, can you say what is the time now? See, now the hour hand is on 7 and minute hand is on 12. So what is the time now? Yes, very good, it is 7 o'clock. What is the time now? It is 7 o'clock. Okay, now see, what is the time now? Look here, the hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 12. So the time is 2 o'clock. Okay, the time is 2 o'clock. Now next, draw the hour hand and minute hand based on the time. So here, see, you have to draw the hands. Okay, the time is 11 o'clock. Okay, so can you say the answer? The time is 11 o'clock. So the minute hand will be always on 12 and time is 11 o'clock, isn't it? So the hour hand will be on 11. Okay, you see that this is short and this is long. The long will be minute hand and the short will be hour hand. Okay, so this is 11 o'clock. Okay, now here you have to draw 1 o'clock. So how can you draw? Always our minute hand will be on 12 and the hour hand on 1. Okay, see, this is the short and this is the long. This is the minute hand and the long one is on minute hand and the short one is hour hand. Okay. So children, so this is given on your textbook also. Okay, so you have to do that. Okay. Okay children, do the exercise given on the textbook. Okay, thank you. See you.